In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Hotmail in Outlook 2025. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step clearly and concisely. Let's get started. First things first, we need to head over to the Outlook website, open your preferred web browser and type in the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page URL. Once you're there, you will see the option to sign in. This should be quite prominent on the page, so go ahead and click on sign in. If you're already logged into your Microsoft account, you'll be directed straight to the Outlook homepage from here. On the Outlook homepage, look for the settings gear icon. Generally, you can find this on the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu that provides a host of different options for customizing your Outlook experience, but for right now, we're interested in the Files section. Once you've clicked on Settings, locate and click on Files. Now you're in the right place to start configuring your Hotmail account through Outlook. You'll want to pay close attention because it's almost time to import your files. Under the Files section, look for the option that says Start Import. This is your next destination. Clicking on Start Import will initiate the process of bringing your Hotmail information into Outlook. This option is essential for pulling over your emails and other associated data, such as contact information and previous email settings, and will begin the synchronization process. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind during this transition. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, as the import can take some time depending on how much data you have in your Hotmail account. Also, it's useful to have some patience since the synchronization process needs to ensure that all details are correctly transferred to ensure a seamless Outlook experience. Once the import process is successfully completed, you'll have your Hotmail account set up within Outlook 2025. All your emails, contacts, and previous data will now be readily accessible through this new interface, offering the features and utility of Outlook with all your existing Hotmail information intact. This straightforward process makes transitioning from Hotmail to using it in Outlook 2025 a breeze, allowing you to enjoy enhanced productivity features and a cohesive, integrated experience for all your email management needs. And that's it, you've successfully configured your Hotmail account in Outlook 2025. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more how-tos and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.